Hi, family! You're welcome back to my channel. Follow me as I go cut some aloe vera plants because I'll be using it in today's video to show you all how to make aloe vera oil in 3 different ways. If you want to know that, so watch to the end of the video. So these were all I was able to cut. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the subscription button. Please subscribe. You're welcome back. So in today's video, like I told you all before, I'll be making aloe vera oil in 3 different ways. And this is the aloe vera. I've been able to wash it and I turned it upside down to allow that greenish juice that usually itch the skin to go off. So I'll be cutting up the head part totally, and I'll be using this particular aloe vera plant to make the oils. So first I cut 1/3 of it and I remove the spike. That spike is also called chukuchuku. That's what we call it here in Pidgin in Nigeria, chukuchuku. But the Englishman call it spike. So I'm removing that spike. Then I will be cutting my aloe vera into smaller pieces. Cut it into small pieces, perhaps maybe 1 centimeter wide or something. So cut it into smaller pieces, like so. Aloe vera has been known to be used ages for a long time for medicinal purposes. It can be used for your hair and also for your skin. Even so many cosmetic companies today use aloe vera for almost all their products because of the powerful benefits aloe vera has. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzyme which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. Also, aloe vera also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. Now that one that I cut, I'll be putting it inside my blender. The first part, I'll leave it inside my blender, put it inside like so, and keep or set the blender aside while I focus on other ones. So aloe vera also helps to promote hair growth. It prevents itching on the scalp. Aloe vera reduces dandruff and conditions the hair. So now this is the second part. I'll still cut it again into smaller pieces like so. I cut another 1/3 of the remaining aloe vera. So I'll set that one aside. And then the last part to now the next one, I'll still cut another part of it. So I would do remove the spike as well, or the chukuchuku. I'll remove it. But this time around, I will be needing only the gel. It's only the gel I will be needing this time around. So be careful while you scrape out the gel. If you are using a knife, please be very careful so you don't cut yourself or injure yourself. So like so, I'll remove the gel. Aloe vera has a whole lot of benefits. Seriously, aloe vera can help you clear your pimples. Aloe vera can also be taken. You can drink aloe vera juice to detoxify your body system. It's a very good detoxifier, though it's very bitter. So I have removed the gel. I didn't throw away the green part. I added it to the blender if you noticed. So I will be putting these other ones into 2 different glass jars. The first jar, I'm adding the one that has only the gel, no green parts together with it. Then the next jar, I'll be putting all the aloe vera plants, both the gel and the green part together in the other glass jar, as you can see. So I covered both. Then the other one in the blender, I'll take it to the I'll go take it now and blend it properly. Do not add water to it. Do not add water. I did not add water. I just blended the aloe vera like that. So blend it thoroughly like so. So after blending it, I put my pot on heat. I've put the aloe vera gel. Then I put in coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil. Why did I pick coconut oil as oil of choice? Why? Because when you mix aloe vera and coconut oil, the two create a blend which stimulates the synthesis of collagen and other factors involved in skin repair and hair growth. So this is the next one. I will be adding the same coconut oil to this one to fill it up enough to cover the aloe vera. And remember the other one that I used heat, I did medium to low heat, and you fry it until the aloe vera becomes brown before I put off the heat, and I will allow that one to get cold. Now I'm doing this one as a double boiling method. I put a water in a pot and add the two inside the pot and start eating them double boiling. No heat. This method is actually the best because it helps you preserve all the nutrients in your aloe vera. So now you can see that the other green part has really changed color, showing that the aloe vera, the heat has really penetrated in it. So this one is cooled enough. I will be straining it using my strainer or sieve to get the oil out. So for this one, you can people who have who skin normal skin can use that one. But this particular one is for those who have sensitive skin. They are the ones that can use that one with just gel. And this one can be used by those who have those who have normal skin. You can use this one. So these are the three ways in which you can prepare your aloe vera oil. And I'll be storing my aloe vera oil now in this amber bottle. That is where I'll be storing it inside. Then the other ones, I will cover them up and put them in a dark area for just 2 days. Then I will strain them and store them in another amber bottle. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Which of the method do you love? Let me know in the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel.